Hi guys, it's your girl Lola Loves You, and today we're doing another Whitney Houston look. This look is from a music video. This doll is not a permanent doll. This doll is a Whitney Houston model Barbie that I use to do different Whitney Houston looks for. Her face is already done. So, I'll have to, I'm going to dress her up, and I'm going to go step by step, and then you're going to figure out what music video of Whitney Houston that this Barbie is inspired by. So, okay, let's go to step one. Step one, I created a wig, and the wig is for the Whitney Houston inspired Barbie doll. I just used this Barbie doll just for the base and for the wig. If you want to see how I created Barbie wigs, look in the comments, and I pinned the video of how I create Barbie doll wigs. And I just use this curly human hair, and I use a hot glue gun, and I cut it to style. But if you want to see me do another video about how I create wigs for my dolls, I'll do another one. Just leave it in the comments down below and say do another a wig creating video. Next, I will be using this outfit that I bought from Amazon. It's a doll outfit. It's a set. It comes with a shirt, a leather jacket, and some jeans. And this is the outfit I'll be using for the model today. Very easy. The whole outfit came already together. Next, I'll be using these orange tennis shoes from an old Barbie doll that I had, but I'm going to paint them white. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to paint them white. I'm going to use these markers. They paint markers, and they work phenomenal. So I'm going to paint these tennis shoes white, and I'll be back. Change of plans. The white paint wouldn't adhere to the tennis, so I'm going to use this pale pink, and I think it's going to still be cute because you'll see it's going to still come out right. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this nail polish to paint the sneakers, and I'll be back with the finishing results. Ta-da! Here they go. They're nice and pink. Inside still orange, but outside is pink. If you want quick drying results, use a blow dryer. I use a blow dryer on each shoe for like good 3 to 5 minutes at a high temperature, but just make sure it won't melt. Make sure you just I stuck a marker inside of them and let the marker hold the shoe while I blow dried it, so it's dry. Ta-da! What y'all think? You know what music video this is of Whitney Houston's? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave in the comments down below, did you think I did a good job? And whatever Whitney Houston looks you'd like to see me do in an inspired Whitney Houston Barbie doll. It's your girl Lola Loves You. I'll be back. Bye.